Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I have another new old stock lock. I can't quite tell how much this was when it was on sale, but it's clearly been in some light or something. I think it's plastic yellows over time, but accelerated by light. It's very, very brittle. Some cracks there, but it seems to have protected. Seems to protect the cardboard underneath. So it says it's a high strength toolbox lock. I mean, it's tiny, it's very cute. This is a Squire 35. So hold on, and I get this wrong, anti-rust high strength, extra strength. So it's not just standard high, it's extra strength, which I find with a 5mm shackle, extra strength, really? I don't know. I find that very, very hard to believe. It says, always consider carefully the level of protection required and the conditions that will be working. Using the strength and anti-rust system, select the most appropriate Squire padlock. So really, this little 35mm padlock is extra strength. Unless I'm reading this wrong, that definitely says this is an extra strength padlock, which, yeah, it's, I mean, really? And, I mean, this is model 33. Oh, not the 35. I thought it was a 35. But Squire make the massive 2-core, was it SS100 padlock, the heaviest or biggest commercial padlock you can buy. So, what are you? Oh yeah, no, it's 33, not the 35. It's so cute. Very, very cute little lock. I think I've got a ruler here somewhere. Is that 33mm or the body of this? I mean, end to end, it's about 33. So yeah, that's including the plastic or rubber thing either side. Very, very cute. Oh dear, oh dear. We'll pretend we didn't see that bitting, shall we? And see if we can give this a pick. I will need a very slender pick and possibly some top. Let's have a look. Will this work in there? I think so. Should do. And we'll need probably something that goes top of the keyway. I think one of these multi-pick turners will work. Oh, that's a little bit too thick. Let's get the next one down. Or something of the like, and just pop that in the top. Okay, let's have a go at this then. It's 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody isn't open though. Why aren't you open? Do I need to turn this more? I'm confused. I've picked all the pins as far as I'm aware. That is so strange. Maybe I should have tested to see whether it works with the key first. If it does, then shame on me. Oh, wow. Okay, that needs a real. Put its clothes back on. That needs a real turn. Okay, well, let's try that again. This time we'll put a bit more turning force on and use something which is a little bit shorter. Oh. One of these. Yes, that one. That should be better, I think. No, that won't go in. Let's try this one then. Well, it is awkward to tension. I'll give it that much. There we go. Something like that should do us, and then I can really crank up the tension. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes, we got the open. So there we go. That's one of the problems when you're blind picking a lock. You don't know if it's got a big core spring in it, and the appropriate top of the keyway tension. There's no spool pins in here, and we're in there pretty fast. Now, I am curious though if we can rake this. If I put some bottom of the keyway tension in like that, and get a little rake, and I think I've got just the one. You ever seen a rake this slim before? Let's give this a go. Yeah, straight away. I mean, that's just because of that flat bitting. This little rake here is perfect for these extremely small little locks. So yeah, I mean, would you put that in your toolbox? Would you consider that extra strength? I mean, it's got moderate anti-rust. What more do you want? Anyway, there you go. That's the blind picking of this Squire 33 padlock. Hope you enjoyed that. It's a little bit of fun, not a serious pick, but nevertheless, you know, I love every lock. If you like this lock too, give it a like below. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to see more content like this just by hitting that subscribe button. If you've got any comments about this lock or anything else, then put them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, I'll see you all next time.